Dun, dun, dun! Never! Oh, hi guys. Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 7 with JP. Okay, now this time we're going to learn about my super squaring technique. Okay guys, here's how it's done. So, now let's do one of those hard math problems. 901 squared. Well, all you have to do is... That's hard. Who wants to do that? We want to look for easy ways. So let's go. Well, that's close to 900 squared. We like that. That's easy. That's just 810,000. That's just that. So 901. Now let me show you my super squaring technique. Make sure you don't tell anyone, okay? Say, I will not tell anybody. Okay, good. So now let's do this. Draw a box. It's 90. Whoops, that looks like an A. 901, 901. Now, we draw lines where 900 would be on there. Well, we already know this. This, we already know part of this. This is... But we are not done yet. We have to do this part, and this part, and this part as well. Because that'd be cheating, and then the math wouldn't be true. So let's take this, which is 900. And this, which is 900 again. And this is only one. You add all that. And you get the square of 901, which is 811,801. Let's try with a different one. Let's do 401. Again, 400 is close. 400 squared is close. But 401, who wants to do that? But we have the super secret squaring technique in our hand. 401, 401. Boop, boop. 400. 400. Whoa. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, remember, we can't leave these things out.
What is it what you color right now? How do you color that?
I'm taking out, so basically, I already know what 400 and 400, that's squared. That's basically this.
But what is this?
So,
are you calculating the...
yeah, basically, so what I did right now, this part, that's basically the area of it.
Oh, okay.
But this part, that's probably, it's pretty much a perimeter.
This is the area too, on the side.
It also is too, yeah, you're right.
This is an area for 401 square, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, but you can cut it in 2 areas. That's what, in 3 areas, is that right?
Yes.
3 or 4, yeah.
So, and then also we have the little one, which is 1, 0, 6, 1, wait, yeah. Wait, let me do this the other way. This is going to be easy. 6, 0, 8, 0, 1. Yeah, it's easier for me to calculate. Then we have 160,801. So typically,
Can you do that with your head? in your head?
Yeah, you actually can do that in your head. Well, yeah, so basically, let's say I have 400 again. So, in my mind. I just know that 400 squared is 160, comma 000. 160, comma 000. Okay? I know you have to add 400, 400. So that'd be 1608, comma 800. And there's also the 1. So it's 160, comma 801. That's basically it. In your mind. But you know what basically technically all this is? This is basically a plus 1, comma, squared. This is a plus 1. A plus 1. We don't know what a plus 1 is squared, so we'll do a, which is easy.
A, what is A? A could be what, for example?
It could be any number actually, guys.
Oh, okay.
So a squared plus a plus, so this is the a already, and this is also taken. And also the 1, so 1. And remember, we can't add it from here, because yeah, we basically, yeah. So basically today, we learned
What is the formula? A plus 1 squared equal what then?
a plus 1 squared, that is equal to, it's basically a plus 1 in parentheses times.
Can you write it down? A plus 1 squared
It's
equal what?
basically, it's also equal to,
Yeah, no. But what is the result you got from the square, from the area, using A plus 1 area? What is the complete result at the end? What did you find out? You found out using the, when you're drawing, you take the area. It's equal, A plus 1 squared equal A, what is it?
it's basically,
Can you write it down, what it is?
I'm not understanding your question.
Oh, A plus 1 square, you know?
Yeah.
Is there a formula you can write? A plus 1 square equal something in function of A? A plus 1 square.
Yeah, you can actually.
So can you write it down what it is?
So basically, a plus 1 squared is equal to, it's basically to a plus 1 times a plus 1.
Oh yeah, you can do that. I know, but when you use a square, you say of a plus 1 square is equal to a square plus.
It's equal to a squared plus a plus a.
That's what you find.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then you can replace the a by that.
Yeah.
For example, if I ask you, do you know what is 12 square, Jean-Pierre?
Yeah.
What is 12 square?
12 squared is 1 4.
What is 11 square?
11 squared is 120, 121.
1 to 1, okay. Then, using this technique, tell me what is 12 square. Can you do it with your head, otherwise? No? Okay, good job.
This is 11, this is 12. 11. 12, this is 11. You know, this is 121. You know, this is 11. We know this is 11. We know this is 1. No, this is all 4. No, this is all 4. 1 is 1. 4, 4,
So
1.
don't erase. Look, do you see your pattern? Is 121. So 11 square plus 11 plus 11 plus 1. Is that what the solution is?
Yeah.
So if it was 13 square, do you know what is 13 square? Or if you don't know, it's okay. 13 square will be equal to what then? If you replace that. Next to 121, it will be...
It would be 12,
Exactly.
Yeah, 12. Yeah.
What would it be? What would it be here? So this thing is like 11 square, is that right? Can you write 11 square here? Yeah. So let's say now you calculate. This is for 12 square. 12 square equal this one, okay?
Yeah.
No, 12 square equal, yeah, 12 square. 144 equal 12 square. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So now you want to put 12 square here, 12 square here, plus what? Plus what? Yeah, no, plus 12, plus 12, plus 1. That would be what, you think? No, that would be 169, but that would be equal to what? Would that be 13 square?
Yes. Yes, it would.
Is it would?
Yeah.
So now, but if I want, okay, so it's 169, okay? Now if I want 14 square, can you do 14 square the same way? No, not 13. Here, are you sure it's 13 plus 13?
Yeah, because you're supposed to look for 14 squared.
Okay, so what do you find?